Hello again, this is Alex with MasterChartsTrading.com, and this is market recap for Friday, June 19th, 2020. As always, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with others. As always, we'll look at S&P 500 as it gains for the week. NASDAQ is approaching records, and like I said, records are not made in bear markets. Technology sector is next to records. Biotech is at records. We'll look at a few recent trades. One is for PayPal, the other one is for Tesla, and one for Ovid Therapeutics. I didn't personally trade it, but a client did, so I'm gonna share the chart. Junk bonds again are showing bullish bias for stocks. We'll look at that. Treasury bonds actually have a position open, and they're a buying opportunity, I think. We'll look at oil is up almost 50% since a recent alert, and dollar is at resistance as gold approaches multi-year high. Bitcoin really didn't do much this week. Okay, so S&P 500. First of all, I wanted to show you these lines in the charts. So we got the green, the blue, the red, and the yellow horizontal lines on this chart. Now these are drawn by my proprietary trading indicators. They're called MasterChartsTrading price action indicators, where I'm hovering. Currently they're only available for TradingView.com, this interface right here, TradingView.com. Now you do not need to have a paid TradingView account to enjoy my indicators. All you have to do is sign up on MasterChartsTrading.com and click on products here, and then once you sign up for either the trading indicators or the ultimate package, I will open the door for you on TradingView. If you want just a newsletter, then you don't really need the indicators. So these indicators, what they do is they show support and resistance, and you can kind of clearly see it actually. For example, the latest support test was right there where I'm hovering on 15th of June, right there. You can see there was a touch of the blue line and then a rally off of it. So we actually went ahead and we opened, or rather I sent some new alerts out for the general stock market. This recent one on the 15th of June, you can see that there was a touch of the blue line for the futures, but if we look at the ETF, the S&P 500 ETF SPY, then there was no touch. So I didn't send an alert on S&P 500 ETF in this case, but we did send it out for Dow Jones. So Dow Jones Industrial Average, there are ETFs available, of course, DIA. So for example, this is an alert. So again, you can see that these support and resistance lines, what they do is they really help you. You can see clearly where the support and resistance is and where the buyers and sellers will most likely take a stand. So in this case, the support so far is holding. Support is at 25310. Before it was resistance because the price was below it. But now, since the price broke above it, and now price came down towards the support resistance lines, now I consider it a support for Dow Jones at 25310. The NASDAQ QQQ once again is very close to records. Today it just shy, it came close to the records, but didn't really get up there, a little bit behind. But overall, beautiful breakout here. The breakout occurred right there on the 14th of April. We actually went ahead and started buying it as well. So overall, it's about let me see, about 16.5% gain so far. And despite all the news, despite all the just sad news from around the world and the United States, be that political or on personal level, the stock market seems to be in an uptrend, and we will continue buying it until it stops being in an uptrend. So we'll just go with it, I guess. Here's XLK Technology. Technology also made a record high on the 10th of June here a few days ago, and today came very close again to the records. Overall, here's an alert from the 29th of April of this year, good for close to 17%. Technology is kind of, it's one of those stocks that, one of those sectors don't really, that usually go up during a bull market more than the other stocks. So technology is leading the stock market higher in the world. This is a very good sign. The biotechnology is also up significantly, 27%. The latest alert was here on the 15th of April, 27%. Today it closed at new record high. So no question about it, this is a bullish chart. We should consider only buying it on pullbacks. That's the only thing I can, think about basically. So a few recent alerts. Here is one for PayPal, and here's one right there. Alert was sent on the 14th of April. And I quite often get, people tell me, but look, for example, for PayPal right there on 23rd of March, where it made the low, and then it rallied towards the place where I sent an alert. So from the low in March till the alert was sent, the stock moved 33%. And people are like, but Alex, you already, missed a huge move here. You missed 33%. The problem is that back in March here, I kept thinking that we may continue lower. Back here, the trend was clearly down. Then we saw a breakout on the 14th of April, where I'm hovering right now. And that's when I thought, the trend is changing. Now I need to be buying it. Now I don't want to be shorting it. I don't want to entertain any bearish setups. So we went ahead and we started, the alert was sent, and yes, I know that we missed 30% move, but we still, caught a 58% move towards all-time new record highs. So yes, you cannot enter at the very bottom and exit at the very top. You take take what's in the middle, what they say. So this is just the essence of what we do here at Master Charts Trading. We look for opportunity when the breakout occurs. So for example, opportunity to buy for PayPal was here on the 14th of April, and it's good for 58%. Another opportunity for Tesla. I personally didn't trade it. I did send an alert. So here's one, for example, from 14th of April, and it moved towards new records and closed at new record. Now it's up 44% since the alert. Yes, you will miss some of the move, but you will still be able to reap the benefit of the relatively large move. You cannot catch every single move in its entirety. Usually trend traders are very happy when they catch the middle of the move. So in this case, I'm super happy basically with Tesla. Personally did not trade it again, but alert was sent. Here's one. Again, I did not personally trade this one, but my clients, they have my indicators. So once again, you can sign up at Master Charts Trading to receive these indicators that are green, blue, red, and yellow line. And then here's a chart, or rather a company that was traded by one of my clients. I don't know exactly where they entered, but I understand, if I was trading it, then I would do something like this. So for example, for this particular company, Ovid Therapeutics, I would have bought here on the 11th of May, and another opportunity was right there on the 12th of June. And even if you bought on 12th of June, that's still an 84% move in your favor. So, again, congratulations if you opened recently. If you have my indicators, that's all you really need. if you sign up, get these indicators, put them on your chart, start trading on your own. You don't need to really have any kind of analytical, expertise. All you gotta do is just look at the numbers, look at the chart. We can backtrack a little bit, for example, here, and let's say we were trading it back in the beginning of June. You can see that the price dropped below the blue line, and then next day on the 12th of June, price closed above the blue line. So this is where I would have just bought it, and it just took off. So sometimes they just go like that. Again, congratulations, this was a 82% move just in a few days. Junk bonds not really doing much. So junk bonds are important because they correlate highly with the stock market, and if the junk bonds move one way, then stock market usually moves in the same direction. So the way I'm looking at it right now is junk bonds is in a bull market. I actually have a position, or rather I own junk bonds in various retirement accounts, etc. So overall, junk bonds, I believe, are in the uptrend, and once again the Federal Reserve says that they're buying this particular ETF, so there's really no point betting against the Federal Reserve. Treasuries, TLT, so long-dated Treasury bonds. I myself opened the position right there on the 11th of June. So I kind of, given to the general YouTube channel kind of free alert. Basically, right this instant I would buy in it, and I actually own a position, own some TLT. So I think this top here from the 9th of March, and it's basically was really overbought. You can see how steep this increase was, and then just kind of traded sideways afterwards. But overall, I think right this instant is a very good price for Treasury bonds, and we can easily see a new breakout to new record highs. Switching gears a little bit, we're looking at oil here, CL1 exclamation point. So right there, 14th of May, alert was sent to my subscribers. 49%, close to 50% gain. Yeah, and it looks like it just continues going. So yeah, once again, yeah, you missed some of the move, but why would you be able, how would you know that at negative $40 it was the bottom? It could have continued to negative $80 as well. It didn't, so we're taking that into consideration, and looks like we have a nice move in our favor. DXY dollar index, so you can see that the indicators work really well for this type of security as well. So for example, here's a breakdown in the 2nd of June, nice move lower. Notice where it bottomed exactly at the yellow line. Now it's coming up again towards the red line. So this is support and resistance in its essence. You can trade off of support and resistance and make lots of money this way. So what is dollar doing right now? Dollar seems to be in a bear market. Dollar seems to be in a downtrend. I think it would be very interesting to see if the shorts would come in right now, right around 97.78 or so. So as a result of dollar weakness and general uneasiness about the state of the world, gold has been in an uptrend. I bought myself here on 23rd of March. Here's my position, GLD. On the 23rd of March, it's approaching new records. I'm still holding the position, so we were, obviously bullish on gold. We could see another, breakout here. These are multi-year highs. The all-time record highs are, I believe, at around 18 something. So it could easily break out to new all-time record highs. This could be due to perceptions of possible inflation coming or just instability in general. So gold seems to be in demand. So finally, Bitcoin. Here's BTC USD. I actually myself bought at around 88.50 here. I'm still holding it and I want to see if it's gonna continue higher. I mean, it's really dragging. I was expecting a quick breakout towards like 1500. Not yet, I guess. So let's wait and see. But overall, Bitcoin seems to be in a bull market, so we should be buying it, definitely not shorting it. Alright, so now that you've seen the presentation, please head over to MasterChartsTrading.com, click on products, and select one of the products that interests you. So newsletter is kind of what I usually send out on a daily basis, and you will receive different alerts. For example, this is an alert right there, or for example for Tesla. Same thing, it's an alert. You will see like an email, and you will get a chart similar to this, and I actually put a position size right on the chart, a sample position size for $100,000 accounts. These are called alerts. Now, if you want to trade on your own, you should get trading indicators. These are currently available for TradingView, although we are hoping to convert them to other platforms such as NinjaTrader and MetaTrader as well. But for now, you can have the same lines, the green, blue, red, and yellow support resistance lines on your chart. All you gotta do is sign up at MasterChartsTrading.com for either trading indicators or the ultimate package. So ultimate package is a crazy good deal at $38 per month if you buy yearly. Alright, that's it for this week's recap. Again, if you have any questions, please ask me. Thanks for watching. Have another great trading week. Bye bye.